how to choose the right investment broker for you. Hey friends, what's up? My name is Preston and I'm excited to be a new guide to the world of investing. Now don't worry, I won't bore you with complicated jargons or mathematical equations. Instead, I'll be sharing just simple tips and tricks for you to follow during investing. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Oh great, another finance guy talking about stocks on YouTube. But trust me, I'm not your typical Wall Street guy. I'm just a simple, average Main Street guy who believes investing should be accessible to everyone, not only the elite few. So now if you're ready to learn how to grow your money, click the like and subscribe button below and join me on this investing journey. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be driving nice sports cars thanks to our wise investment decisions. Well, okay, maybe not, but we can all dream, right? Okay, so let's get started on today's topic, how to choose the right investment broker for you. There are a lot of online brokerages account today available in the market. So if you are ready to get started on your investment journey and open your first brokerage account, here are some factors that you need to consider. Number one, reputation. Now the broker you choose should have a good reputation in the industry. Now what you can do is you can look at reviews online. Some online articles do have reviews that gives like a 5-star rating or 4-star rating on the brokerage account that you are considering. And another way is you can talk to other investors that are experienced, and you can check with them. Ask them what's their experience like using the application. So you can ask them things in regards to user friendliness, customer services, and as well as what investment products are offered on the app. And also, brokers in Singapore need to be licensed by our Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS. Check that the broker has a capital markets license that's registered in Singapore. Like for example, for me, I use TD Ameritrade, which is this platform called Thinkorswim account. It does have this capital markets license. So do make sure you check with the MAS website whether it has that license. Number two, trading platform. Now you want your trading platform to be very user-friendly for you. Now what I mean by user-friendly, probably things that trading functions, you can find it easily, like you want to buy, you want to sell stocks, you want to sell options. All these functions can be easily found. The other thing is that the flexibility of displaying the correct information you want. Like for example, Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade, it does have the flexibility for you to display certain information that you require, such as the 52-week high, 52-week lows of the stock in terms of the profit loss change for that day, that trading day. And also, of course, you want to check whether the trading platform is easily accessible. Easily accessible through different apps, like through the mobile, through the desktop, and as well through through the website online. And of course, lastly, you want the trading platform to be little or limited glitches. You don't want to be selling a stock, buying a stock, and then there's glitches in the system that does not allow you to actually trade the stock properly. Yeah, so these are the things to take note in trading platforms. Okay, number three is fees and commissions. Now you do have to understand what are the typical fees and charges that are charged by the different brokerages, so you can compare which one is the more cheaper, which one is the more expensive one. Okay, and you have to understand what are the different fees that are charged for different activities. For example, you're buying stock, you're selling stock. Even for selling options and trading options, there are different prices in terms of the fees and commission. Now, for example, Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade charges no fees and commissions when you're buying or selling stocks. However, when it comes to options, based on the TD Ameritrade website, it states that per option contract, it charges 70 cents. But based on my personal experience, it's actually 65 cents. So you may want to verify with the website or give a call to TD Ameritrade to double check on this. Okay, another example is Poems by Phillip Securities. Now, Poems charges a flat rate of $3.88 flat per stock. If let's say you're going one stock, you're just buying or selling one stock, or if you're trading 100 stocks, is just a flat $3.88. But when it comes to options, it charges from 88 cents per option contract sold or bought. So do check the Poems website for the full details for the trading fees. Number 4, account minimums. Now some brokers require you to actually have a minimum funding amount when you're opening the account. So do check and compare among the different brokers how much is the minimum funding required to open an account with these different brokers. Now for example, Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade, they do not actually have a minimum funding required. So when you're opening the account, $0 in your account, that's fine, you can just open up like that. But of course, they do have some benefits. Let's say, example, you fund 3,500 USD, they do give you $100 rebate. So you can take note of that as well. Alright, number 5, investment options. Now you want to choose a broker that offers investment products that actually aligns with your investment goals. Now if your goal is actually to just buy and sell stocks, and also maybe you want to sell options, make sure to select a broker that actually offers you such product. And also take note not only the products themselves, but also the geographical locations on where these products are being offered. So for example, Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade is mostly for stocks listed in the US stock market. And if you want to invest in Singapore stocks, you can consider POEMS, you can consider DBS Vickers, OCBC Securities. And if you want to do European stocks, that's another example, you can consider Interactive Brokers or perhaps Saxo Capitals. Number 6, customer service. Now you want a broker that actually gives you good, excellent customer service. Now, customer service in what sense? By being responsive to your questions and provide good technical support to you as well. And they should be easily reachable through phone, through email, or even through live chat as well. For example, Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade, which I use frequently. I've contacted them before, through a phone call, which they actually responded quite fast. And when I email them certain things and issues, they do respond quite fast, within the next working day. That's pretty good customer service based on my experience. Number 7, education and research. You want to check if the broker provides any education and research resources for you. Such info can be news on the market, analysis report, educational materials, and also a step-by-step guide on how to use the trading platform itself. For example, Think or Swim by TD Ameritrade, it does has a help and learning function. So this help and learning function, it actually has this app help videos. So this app help videos gives you a step-by-step guide or instruction to show you how to use certain functions within the Think or Swim application. And they also have another function called Trader Education. This Trader Education, it actually provides live market news, also gives some news videos as well, which provides information on the US economy, how's the stock market doing, so market info, things like that. Okay, now I also don't really use the Moomoo app, which is pretty popular nowadays in Singapore. But I understand in Moomoo, there's a feature that actually allows you to see all the company information at a glance. So company information such as the finances, the revenue, breakdown in revenue, cash flow, the balance sheet. So it actually is good because it allows the investor to see all the information easily, like a one-stop shop, everything at a glance. Okay, number 8, mobile access. Now for those that are busy, time constrained, especially in Singapore where everyone is busy, and prefer to trade on the go at your fingertips, you may want to consider a broker that actually have their trading platform available on mobile apps or smartphone. Now this allows you to actually trade and monitor your investments while on the go on your smartphone. But actually most brokerage nowadays, they do actually have mobile applications. So example, TD Ameritrade, they have the Think or Swim software app on the iPhone and Android. POEMS Mobile by Philips Securities as well. And then of course IKBR, which is the app provided by Interactive Brokers. Because all of these online brokerages, they do actually have a mobile app. So I think it's essential to pay attention more towards the user friendliness of the trading platform itself. In summary, do consider the factors that I've explained earlier carefully when choosing a right investment broker for you. Now remember, the right broker that you selected can help you a long way in achieving your investment goals. However, the wrong one can lead to costly mistakes and user frustration as well. Now, choosing a right broker doesn't have to be a difficult task. Just make sure you spend some time in reading the reviews, doing your research, check out the websites of the different brokerages account, give them a call if you need to, send them an email. And in a way, this is testing the customer service of the brokerages as well. So just determine what are your investment goals. Again, do your research on the different brokers and on how these different brokerages can actually support or align to your investment goals. Feel free to comment below on any topics or issues for the brokerages that I covered earlier. And that's it, folks. Now go forth and invest, my friends. Until next time.